Varicose veins are more than just plain ugly. The unsightly veins can cause pain, swelling, and itching severe enough to cause many people to seek medical advice. According to the American College of Phlebology, more than 40 million people in the United States suffer from varicose veins. If both parents have varicose veins, your chances of developing the disease are close to 90%. But if only one parent is affected, daughters have a 60% chance, while sons have a 25% chance of developing the disease. It is estimated that 50% of the U.S. population over 50 years old has varicose veins. Back in February, Dr. Charlie Hahn of Veins, Florida, explained what varicose veins are and what can be done to treat them. Dr. Charlie Hahn of Veins, Florida explains the presence of bad veins does not increase the risk that heart problems will occur.
People can live with varicose veins for a long time. They tend to have a long-lasting effect on patients, more so than some of the medical problems, in which either you don't have symptoms or the symptom goes away after short treatment. But for varicose veins, it can come back years later, and it's been with the patient for a long time. It certainly can cause a lot of life-changing for the patients. Genetic plays a very large role. Patients have a strong family history of varicose vein, tend to develop early, and tend to have lots of more. It certainly has a genetic disposition. Men tend to get large varicose veins. They tend not to get a lot of the spider veins the women get. I think their skin is thicker. I would say overall probably 15 to 20% of my patients are men and 80% are women. Varicose veins can cause blood clots in them, and then they cause a tremendous amount of pain once the blood in them become clots. And we call the thrombophlebitis. The larger it gets, they tend to pull more blood, which cause skin changes, color changes around these large varicose veins. It can cause skin ulcers, which will take a very long time to heal. And also they can cause a large amount of bleeding if they got injured. For those large varicose veins, we make a tiny little incision and they use a special instrument to pull them out. And that can achieve a great success by removing the vein immediately. We can clean up the whole leg within a shorter period of time. And those have minimal bleeding and minimal recovery time.
According to vasculardisease.org, more than 24 million Americans have varicose veins. 6 million Americans have skin changes associated with chronic venous insufficiency, and up to 35% of adults have leg veins that do not work properly. You'll find contact information for Veins, Florida under the Varicose Veins Story icon link on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.